Samsung brings Neo QLED TVs. Samsung Neo QLED TVs features, specifications. Available in 8K, QN900A, and 4K, QN90A, models, the Samsung Neo QLED TVs feature new displays that use Quantum Mini LED as a next-generation light source. The Quantum Mini LED is up to 40 times smaller in height than a conventional LED, and instead of using a lens to disperse light, it has thin micro layers filled with more LEDs to provide better backlighting than a traditional LED display. In addition to the proprietary Mini LED technology, the Neo QLED TVs by the South Korean company use quantum matrix technology that is touted to enable balanced lighting by using precise control of LEDs available behind the display. The combination of quantum Mini LED and quantum matrix technology enables Neo QLED to increase the luminance scale to 12-bit with 4096 steps, Samsung said. The enhancements help make dark areas darker and bright areas brighter, alongside bringing an immersive HDR experience. Samsung has also used its Neo Quantum processor to bring new upscaling capabilities on the Neo QLED TVs. The new processing unit is claimed to use up to 16 different neural network models to optimize picture quality to 4K and 8K regardless of the input quality. The presence of the new display technologies on the Neo QLED TVs not just helps enhance picture quality but also brings a nearly bezel-less experience along with a slim design. The TVs come along with an attachable cable management system called Slim One Connect Box. On the audio front, the Samsung Neo QLED TVs come with Object Tracking Sound Pro that is claimed to help produce dynamic sound corresponding to the movement of objects on the screen. There is also a Space Fit sound feature that outputs immersive sound based on the TV's physical environment. The Neo QLED TVs come preloaded with Samsung Health and Super Ultra Wide Game View features. There is also an optional USB-connected smart camera solution that can follow the movements of users and work with Google Duo to enable video calling. The new TVs can also connect with a PC or with a compatible smartphone to enable working and learning from home. In terms of accessibility, the Neo QLED TVs by Samsung come with caption moving, sign language zoom, and multi-output audio features to help people who are hard of hearing, the deaf, people with low vision, and the blind. The company also showcased a voice guide feature that will be expanded by 2022 to provide support to people with hearing and vision disabilities. The 2021 Neo QLED TVs will also come in Samsung's eco packaging that is touted to upcycle up to 200,000 tons of corrugated boxes each year. Further, you'll get a solar-powered remote control that doesn't require any AA or AAA batteries and can be recharged by indoor light, outdoor light, or USB. The remote control is also designed with upcycling plastics from recyclable bottles. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.